I was motivated to do my graduate studies because during my undergrad was in computer science and I do love coding. I couldn't feel it what was happening, so I wanted a little bit of hardware, and robotics was something that attracted me because it has coding and it also has hardware.
I had spent a lot of time in my undergrad learning the theoretical aspects of robotics, and I wanted to apply that in a real world setting. I chose Purdue's program specifically because I really like the flexibility that it offers. There are several different courses that are available to ACS students. Just in my 1 year here, I was able to take courses from mechanical engineering, computer science, aeronautical engineering and civil engineering.
That is making my knowledge base wider, which I feel would help me tackle multiple different problems.
The intercurriculum courses that I take, they are very versatile. They go beyond just the traditional electrical engineering program which I first intended to go to.
The project course that I loved was the one I'm currently doing. We are currently working on his Lexus SUV, which has built-in GPUs and CPUs, and they're using LLMs to control the car. I feel that I have developed practical skills, how to apply motion planning and control algorithms on an actual car. So I feel that the kind of jobs and internships I'm targeting, this project has helped me get to those.
For my project course, I'm working with Professor Yangu on humanoid robotics for walking assistance. And that's been especially meaningful because as part of the project, we've been working with older patients who require walking assistance and understanding their needs. And it really feels like we're making an impact with this kind of research. The biggest advantage of the project course has been that in the classroom, you're learning a set of equations and theory. And when you go out and try and apply it, there are just so many challenges that you don't expect that, when you're learning it in a classroom setting, everything is perfect, but it's never the case in application. And so we face those kind of challenges head on in the project-based course. It's just a scaled down version of the real challenges that you would face in the industry.
So to complete the cycle, first you need the knowledge, then you need the tools, then you need the motivation to apply it in the real world. So this is complete the cycle, and what I have done here, I also applied there.
My classmates, they are very eager to follow the frontier of robotics, and we discuss a lot about the future of robotics. That's where I also gain the different perspective into the industry and the future career aspects. So I definitely feel I learn a lot from my colleagues.
The faculty here at Purdue are excellent, and they're all experts in their respective fields. They're also extremely approachable, and every time you reach out to them, even if you're taking a course, if you just reach out to them for research ideas, they're more than happy to discuss that with you.
And I specifically chose this program because my plan is to finish my master's, get a job, and to get a job, people do need experience. This program helped me get experience and get a real life practical experience. So that is why I chose the Purdue ACS Robotics Masters program.